Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you accidentally clicked the wrong option and now you're stuck? It can be really frustrating, especially when it comes to important tools like Android Studio. If you've clicked Don't Show Again for the Gradle Plugin update dialog, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to get that dialog back. I totally understand how annoying it is to miss out on important updates because of a simple click. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced the same issue. It's a common hiccup that can happen to anyone. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, "How can I display the Gradle plugin update dialog again after clicking Don't Show Again?" If this sounds familiar, let's dive into the solution together. So, what exactly happens when you click Don't Show Again? This option prevents the update dialog from appearing for that specific project, which can lead to missing out on important updates. But don't worry, there is a way to reset this setting. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to manage your Gradle updates more effectively. To begin resolving this issue, the user should first open their Android Studio. This is where they will access the settings to reset the Gradle plugin update dialog. Next, the user needs to navigate to the settings. They can do this by clicking on the File menu at the top left corner and selecting Settings for Windows or Preferences for Mac. In the Settings menu, the user should look for the Appearance and Behavior section. Under this section, they will find System Settings. Now, the user should look for the option labeled Updates. Here, they can reset the Gradle plugin update dialog settings. Finally, the user should apply the changes and restart Android Studio. This will allow the Gradle plugin update dialog to appear again when updates are available. Fun fact, did you know that the Gradle build tool was first released in 2007? It has come a long way since then, making our lives as developers much easier. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution to show the Android Gradle plugin update dialog again involves adjusting your settings in Android Studio. First, go to File, then Settings. Next, navigate to Version Control and select Confirmation. Here, you'll find an option labeled Display Options Dialog when these commands are invoked. Simply enable the checkbox for Update and you're all set. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you can show the Android Gradle plugin update dialog again by opening your build.gradle file in Android Studio. Then, simply hover over the yellow text and select More Actions, followed by Invoke Upgrade Assistant. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check for updates in your Android Studio settings to avoid missing out on important features and improvements. And there you have it. You should now be able to see the Gradle plugin update dialog again. Remember, keeping your tools updated is crucial for smooth development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Android Studio tricks.